Concrete washout from construction sites is a highly alkaline effluent that can have a serious impact on the environment and cannot be legally discharged to the sewer or watercourse without treatment. Failure to neutralise concrete washout before discharge from site leads to company fines and payments for environmental remediation. SmartStorm's Neutralizer is a new, innovative solution to treat concrete washout in line. Unlike traditional skip-based batch processing, it's fast, fully automated, and doesn't use hazardous chemicals, just CO2 gas. The Neutralizer, with its mobile skid design and small footprint, is proving to be the ideal solution for concrete washout treatment on busy construction sites, and is in widespread use throughout the UK and Europe. Concrete wash water is pumped through the Neutralizer where its pH is measured, usually pH 12, and a controller injects CO2 gas through a unique inline mixer, rapidly dropping the pH to 7 so the discharge can safely leave site at neutral pH. The unit has 3 visual status beacons, so operators always know from a distance whether the pH is in or out of limits, and if the gas supply is low. The Neutralizer contains a pH data logger and an inline flow meter, allowing data to be accessed remotely through SmartStorm's GPRS cloud system. As a fully automated plug-and-play unit, the Neutralizer can be set up quickly and requires little maintenance. Depending on the nature of the effluent, filters and sediment tanks may be needed to remove debris from the effluent. A complete deployment protects the environment, as cloudy sediment can also be harmful to our watercourses. The Neutralizer is a new innovation for the pH control of concrete washout water. So if you'd like further information, please phone, email, or visit our website.